Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today I will show you how to activate the similar products feature in your product page. Let's go to the products menu, all product. Here we're going to choose an existing product, but you could also activate this feature when creating your product. Let's choose the basic means and go directly to the right side menu. You can add up to 4 similar products per product page. So similar products are automatically selected according to tags and category that you apply to your product. See here, I only have products from the basic collection, but I prefer to display similar products according to their color. I've created a tag just for that here. As always, I'm adding the video in the info bar. Let's go back to our tag. To customize the similar product, all you need to do is delete the automated suggestion and add the products you want, looking them up by name or tags. I only want light sneakers, so I'm searching with the tag light that I just created. And here you go. I simply need to select, publish. Let's see what it looks like on the shop. You now know how to display similar products on your products page. See you very soon for another tutorial.